Why hello there, mortals. It is I, Crimson. And today, as you can probably see, we're doing another pivot animation. This is one of my own creation. I'm going to roast it equally as annoyingly, because being honest, it kind of sucks, this one. But we will start. Let us begin. So look, fight scenes. Fight scenes are always good. Fight scenes are a good thing. Okay, sneak attacking is not allowed, dear sir. Get kicked in the kidney. Blocked. No try. Oi! Oi! Oi, you little douchebag. Punch him. Punch him square in the joint. Oi, what happened to cheat him? Kicked. And a really terrible overhead kick, but works. Kicked. Ooh, that's gonna blooming leave a mark. Well, that dude's trying. Thank you. Now go. It's a very giant sweeties. Sweeties for days. Oh, and he's dead. I missed what happened. God damn it. Did he get dropped? I hope he got dropped. He might have got dropped. It appears to have crashed. I'll just play from here, because it's an awesome scene with a sword. Why does it keep crashing on this point? I don't know. Haha! Giant gets his head snapped. Oh, it looks like a energy bolt. Nope, lightning. Never a good thing, lightning. Never ever. Never like lightning, dudes. Okay, cheap shot. Sneak attacking ain't good. Yeah, you deserve that. Two swords! Eat the laser beam! Oh. What the hell? Portal! Sliding midget dude! He's a robot! He shoots the him! What the hell? Eat das laser! Slides down like nothing. So he's now. Oh, dude! What the hell? We created a portal. Portals for days. Flying through the portals for days. Shoots the people in the face. Why do you stand there putting your hands in the air? You're going to get shot in the head. Yeah, you deserve to die. Oh, see ya! He appears to be leaving now. End. Is it the end of a war, though? Probably not, it won't be. But no, this is another test. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you filthy mortals later. See you later.